Hello students, let's continue with chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. And this is video number 4. In this video, we will classify and see the type of graph, and then we will check without actually solving what type of graph we will get of a given linear pair of equations. So let's classify first, and then we will check without solving the pair of linear equation will give which type of solution. Let's begin here. Classification of solutions. Let's analyze graph. Now, if there are two lines, means pair of linear equation will give me two lines. Two lines are of three structures. It can be of three structures. Let me discuss three structures. First one is intersecting lines. Second one is coincident lines. And third one is parallel lines. So if it is intersecting lines, then you will get this type of graph. Intersecting lines meet at one point only. In this one point, you will get coordinates x and y. These are the solution. So the point of intersection is called solution of intersecting lines. Next is coincident line. One line is on other line. So they are coincident. They are overlapping. So on all the points, it is meeting here also, it is meeting here also, it is meeting here. Everywhere these two lines are meeting one another. So it has infinite many solutions because it is going to meet each other on all the points. And next is parallel lines. So parallel lines will never meet one another. So it means there is no point of contact. So no solution of the parallel lines. Let's continue. Now, intersecting lines, you know that these are two intersecting lines. I'll say if a pair of linear equation is giving intersecting lines, then there is only one solution. Means there is only one point of intersection, point of contact. And this set is called consistent pair of linear equation. Consistent means it has solution. There is one solution it has. And second one is coincident. Coincident lines are overlapping lines. So they meet each other at infinite points. So there are infinite many solutions. And this set is also called consistent. What is the meaning of consistent? That it has solution. So the intersecting lines has only one solution and coincident lines has infinite solutions. But in both the cases, solutions are there. Third one is parallel lines. So if two lines are parallel to one another, they will never meet. If they will never meet, then there is no solution. So a pair of linear equation whose lines are parallel will not give you any solution. And this type of pair of linear equation is called inconsistent. Inconsistent means there is no solution. Consistent means there is solution. One or many, that is a different question. Let's continue. Now, check without actually calculating, without actually making the graph. How can we check a solution is there or not? So this is the standard form of the linear equation. So a pair of linear equation has two variables x and y, and a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2, all these are real numbers. So if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, where a1 a2 are coefficient of x and b1 b2 are coefficient of y. So if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it is called intersecting pair, intersecting lines you will get. And there is solution. So one and only one solution is there, and this is called consistent. Consistent means there is a solution. Second one is if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and it is equal to c1 upon c2 also. So all three c1 upon c2 are the constant values. If this condition is true, then these two lines will be coincident lines. And if two lines are coincident, then how many solutions are there? Infinite solutions are there. So infinite many solution, and this is also consistent pair of linear equation because it has solution. And third one is a1 upon a2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. See carefully. Here it is equal to and here it is not equal to. If A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 both are equal but it is not equal to C1 upon C2, then the lines are parallel. And if the lines are parallel, how many solutions are there? There is no solution. And this pair is called inconsistent pair. So this pair is called consistent pair. So we can check without actually solving with the help of A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. These three conditions are giving us which type of solution we will get without solving it. Let me do two questions for you. Let's see. This is exercise 3.2 question number 3 from NCERT on comparing the ratios. What are the ratios? A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. On comparing these ratios, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Means if the line will meet, it is consistent. If it is parallel, then it is inconsistent. So let's check. This is question number 3, first part. In the first part, these two equations are given and let's compare it with the standard form. So on comparing it, A1 is 3, A2 is 2, B1 is 2. Here it is, and B2 is minus 3. In the same way, C1, C2 are minus 5 and minus 7. So you can compare these two equations. So on comparing, let's calculate A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2. So 3 upon 2 is 2 upon minus 3. Is it equal? No, it is not equal. So if condition is A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, means lines are intersecting. And if intersecting lines are there, there is only one solution. And if solution is there, it is called consistent. So this pair is a consistent pair of linear equation. Let me one more question for you. Question number 3, again same question, third part. So this is the pair of linear equation given. This is first equation and this is second equation. Here A1 is 3 by 2 and A2 is 9. On comparing it with the standard form, A1 is 3 by 2 and A2 is 9. Similarly, B1, B2 are 5 by 3 and minus 10 respectively. And C1, C2 are minus 7 and minus 14 respectively. So let's calculate A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2. So here this is A1 3 by 2 and this is A2. 9 can be written as 9 upon 1 and this is B1 and this is B2. Minus 10 can be written as minus 10 upon 1. So let's do the reciprocal of the denominator here. See, 3 upon 2 into 9 upon 1 will become 1 upon 9. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So here it is 1 upon 3 twos are 6. And next is 1 upon 3 twos are 6. This minus sign is there. So 1 upon 6 is not equal to minus 1 upon 6. It means A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. That implies it has intersecting lines. So it is consistent. One and only one solution is there. So it is consistent pair of linear equation. Now, on the basis of these 4 videos, part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4, you please do exercise 3.1 and 3.2. I will teach algebraic method in the upcoming videos. Thank you.